station on Space to Ground.
Farewell, HTV. Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Dan Hewitt. The Japanese HTV cargo craft has left the station. After being attached for more than 6.5 weeks, the unmanned craft was readied for departure. On Sunday, a pallet with 9 old nickel hydrogen batteries was loaded back inside HTV, which will burn up when it re-enters Earth's atmosphere along with over 3,200 pounds of trash. The vehicle was detached from station by ground controllers on Friday morning, followed by ESA astronaut Thomas Pesquet commanding the Canadarm2 to release HTV into open space. But just because HTV has left the station doesn't mean its mission is over yet. The Conatori Integrated Tether Experiment, or KITE, will take place for 1 week following HTV's departure. The spacecraft will release a nearly 2,300-foot-long tether anchored by a 44-pound weight at the end, with the tether gathering electrons as it flies through outer space. Such a device can have some really interesting uses, including in-space propulsion and cleaning up space debris floating around in low Earth orbit. This week, @KiwiBacon on Twitter asked if we could describe the changes in the station's orientation during the arrival or departure of spacecraft. We sure can, Kiwi, since these days it's pretty straightforward. Every visiting spacecraft requires the station to be in a specific orientation or attitude. However, we've gotten to the point where it's always close to our normal orientation, which has the bottom of the station pointed towards the Earth. There are differences in how the station is controlled for different vehicles, with our large gyroscopes steadying the station for vehicles like HTV or U.S. commercial cargo ships, and thrusters on the Russian segment used for vehicles like Soyuz or Progress. Keep sending your questions using the hashtag #SpaceToGround. We'll see you next week.